At Hai Di Lao Hot Pot in Arcadia, the service is outstanding and the food quality is top-notch. But there's one unexpected twist that takes the experience to a whole new level that you might enjoy as much as the food. Your hot pot gear.
So you don't splatter yourself. I got the chicken and pork stomach soup.
And I got the ultra spicy chongqing.
And then you can order on the iPad.
Full bar over there.
And they have desserts. Canned fruit, popping boba, tofu pudding. Wow, they have a lot of sauces.
It's crazy. And this is also a dessert. Very authentic Chinese right here. It's like you got fruits over there. Oh, Thai chili, most dangerous.
They have hair ties and candy.
Yeah, mine's going so nuts that it splashed over here.
You should lower it. I lowered mine. The chopsticks are long, so it's easier to scoop things out from your pot. We got a seafood platter that has mussels, scallops, fish fillet, squid, and shrimp, and surf clam, fish ball. On the inside, there's fish roe.
Crispy pork. This one's already cooked. Try it.
Comes with some dipping powder and ketchup. It's good.
Yeah, I love.
The meat cooked really fast, right?
Yeah, it was probably like 10 seconds. I think the meat quality here is really good. I don't even know what this one is.
American ribeye,
I don't know if this one's gonna be able to be topped.
lamb.
Lamb's going in. It's like a first world problem because my soup is red.
Now you have to feel the burn.
There, that was what, like less than 10 seconds? The lamb is really good. I almost can't tell the difference between the beef and the lamb though. It's because it's not very gamey. It's really good.
Oh my gosh.
I accidentally like breathed it in.
I'm intrigued by this mushroom. It's stuffed with shrimp.
Oh, it floats.
That's my favorite. On the inside, there's meat. On the outside, it's made of eggs. So it's totally keto and non-carb, diet friendly. I really like my broth. It's very flavorful and bone brothy.
At least you could drink yours. I'm not gonna try to drink this. Looks like the popping fish ball is done. Quite delicious. This one is.
The ribeye? Oh, I don't know. They all look the same. It's hot. The mushroom is mushroomy. I feel like I placed it in here for a long time. It still keeps the integrity of the mushroom and it hasn't like disintegrated. The fish paste inside of it is so bouncy.
What's been the winner so far?
I think the soup is the winner. I love the soup. Yeah, fish everything out. Their service is really good here. You empty a plate and then they come and grab it.
The hardest part about the spicy one is anytime you put veggies in it, they become like nuclear. It's so spicy. The shrimp here, headless shrimp.
No, this seafood platter is really impressive.
You look like you work here, walking over here with spoons.
Hi, welcome to Hai Di Lao. Thank you.
The most impressive thing is, oh, there's no space here. And he was able to do it.
I was watching him. It did not touch the floor. He scared us a little bit too.
Shrimp is done, not looking forward to peeling it. You want to peel it for me?
No. You know you love somebody if they peel shrimp for you. But I ain't peeling shrimp for you, Peter. Hand pulled noodles. The best kind of noodles. Good texture, soft and chewy, and it soaks up all the soup.
Yeah, it's a good thing we put it in yours instead of mine, because this would not have been fun to eat afterwards.
Absolutely worth it. Get the dancing noodle.
You get the show and delicious noodles. Muscle turns from this to this. The squid looks wild. I can't believe this thing is edible.
I got tofu pudding. It's pretty good, actually. I got the red bean, canned peaches. They have a brown sugar syrup you could put on top.
There's no room for canned peaches here.
I found this dessert. It's like a jello in brown sugar.
As fancy as this location here in Arcadia, it's nothing compared to China, huh?
Yes, I heard that in China, it's like a whole experience. Like, while you wait, you can get your manicure, and they have a whole play area for kids.
$2.90 for 4 people. We had 2 dancing noodles for $10, which was totally worth it. But the most expensive one was a USDA prime ribeye. That was probably the fanciest hot pot experience, but if you want to check out all the other hot pot experiences you can experience in SGV, check it out right here.